Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you trying to maximize your editing speed and cut your production time down by half today? I'm showing you the ultimate timeline automation hack to streamline your entire video creation process. Step 1. Launch the project. First, open your Camtasia software and load your active video project template immediately. Step 2. Locate your media. Navigate to the Media Bin panel to select the raw footage file you want. Step 3. Timeline track drag. Long press the video asset and drag it directly down onto your Track 1 timeline. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Align the playhead. Scrub across the timeline ruler to position the playhead at the exact cutting frame. Step 5. Hit the split key. Click the dedicated split tool icon to instantly slice your video clip into two. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.